How to fix the app not installed as app isn't compatible with your phone, Android 2026. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the app not installed as app isn't compatible with your phone error on Android. Let's get started. First, understand why this happens. This error usually appears when the app doesn't support your Android version, device hardware, or region. Now, let's fix it. Method 1. Check Android version. Go to Settings, then About Phone, then Software Information. Make sure your Android version meets the app's requirements. If not, update your phone if an update is available. Method 2. Download older version of the app. Some apps don't support newer or older devices. In that case, download an older version of the app that is compatible with your device. Method 3. Clear Google Play Store data. Open Settings, then Apps, then Google Play Store. Tap on Storage and Cache, then click Clear Cache and Clear Data. Now reopen the Google Play Store and try again. Method 4. Enable unknown sources for APK install. Go to Settings, then Security. Enable Install Unknown Apps for your browser or file manager. Now try installing the APK file. Method 5. Check device compatibility. Some apps require specific hardware like higher RAM or certain processors. If your phone doesn't meet the requirements, the app won't install. Method 6. Use VPN optional. Sometimes apps are restricted in certain regions. Use a VPN, connect to another country, and try downloading again. Method 7. Free up storage. Make sure your phone has enough storage space. Low storage can also cause installation issues. And that's it. By following these methods, you can fix the compatibility error and install your apps successfully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.